Billions of invisible doctors. Did you know that there's more foreign DNA inside your body than your own? Yes, even if you're perfectly healthy. How is that possible? In one word, bacteria. We each house 2 to 5 pounds of live bacteria in our bodies. The largest concentration of bacteria is found in our intestines, and as you might have guessed, some of this bacteria is helpful, some is harmful. As long as there's more beneficial bacteria than harmful ones, our immune system can properly do its job without difficulties. The problem appears when bad bacteria and viruses multiply and organize themselves. You see, bacteria and viruses are quite intelligent. They use something called quorum sensing to coordinate their gene expression, the same mechanism insects use to swarm and nest. To help us in the battle with bad bacteria and viruses, our doctors may prescribe antibiotics or antiviral medicines. The name of antibiotic comes from anti, which means against, and bio, which means life. So antibiotics are basically anti-life. The problem with them is that they target both helpful and harmful bacteria, so after a couple of weeks of antibiotics, our helpful bacteria is also incredibly damaged, and this creates problems like yeast infections, impaired digestion, and more. So antibiotics are in fact damaging our gut and our ability to digest food and extract nutrients. That also impairs our thinking and judgment because our guts are constantly talking to our brains. In fact, 90% of the neurotransmitter called serotonin is found in the gut. Serotonin makes us feel happy, so once our gut flora is destroyed, episodes of depressions can start. Not to mention that we will have a hard time assimilating our much-needed protein and minerals. This is where probiotics come into play. Probiotics are like invisible doctors who run a pharmacy inside our bodies. Probiotics help us digest our food better, fight yeast infections, produce B and K vitamins performing biological transmutation. They keep our digestive systems clean by improving digestion and elimination. They balance our hormones and they boost immunity by keeping unfriendly bacteria under control and acting as soldiers. The most important probiotic is Lactobacillus acidophilus. Lactobacillus is present in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. That's why incorporating such foods into your daily diet is crucial for optimum health. You can also supplement daily with probiotics. When you look for probiotics, you should look for both quality and quantity. Lower numbers of first-generation strains can be much more powerful than high numbers of artificial lab-grown strains that won't survive the acidity of your stomach and die before reaching your small intestine. Saying no to the sweet poison of sugar also helps a lot. Yeast, viruses, and bad bacteria thrive on it. For more awesome health reports and videos, add us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/sacrededen. That's www.facebook.com/sacrededen.